Four-wheel drive access to Fraser Island is by barge from River Heads, just south from Hervey Bay, or from Inskip Point near Rainbow Beach. We went from Inskip as it gave us direct access to the East Coast beachfront. You can pay for your one-way or return ticket while on board, but you must organise your vehicle access and camping permits prior to arriving at Inskip Point. This first section of beach is only passable at low tide, so you must plan your crossing to fit in with the tides. Well, we'd done all that, and here we were on the largest sand island in the world, and it was amazing.